Um, Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Olojani Senkunku. Today we are July 17, 2021, and we are in Geneva here. I used to you to hear my voice, and I want to ensure all people that I didn't die. I'm here in Geneva. Today was July 17, 2021. And we are Professor Olojani Senkunku. We are elected Secretary General of United Nations. Also, we are, right now we are the United Nations Permanent International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy Expert, attorney and diplomat. We are here in Geneva. So just a quick note, we represent many people around the world. People are voiceless, are homeless, people are marginalized around the world. And I think Elizabeth had a wisdom to tell you that we are a leader and we represent voiceless. We represent marginalized. Voiceless include herself, include the Princess Charlene from Monaco, include those stand for this change and are threatening that Freemason criminal organization try to threat in secret. Okay, don't remain in secret, because when you're in secret, if you have any dispute of secret, if they confiscate your salary, if they rape you, if they kill your mother, your father, they kill your children, you are in secret. There is no trial, You're a secret, you never will get a justice. So get out from there. I didn't say that you cannot have a secret. You should have secret, but get out from the devil, the criminal organization. The good news we have for you is that change is effective. Many people around, and I want to thank many people around stand for this change. Okay, stand with change. One example is the United Nations International Day of Dalai Lama for refugee. As you know, the Dalai Lama is the oldest refugee in the world. Even if Jesus Christ didn't finish his life in Egypt, he came back. That's what the scripture told us. But the Dalai Lama is a long road refugee. That's why we honor the Dalai Lama and the people of Tibet. And we, in accordance with the government of China, that as you see, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Xi Jinping, they said that they will respect international law, and we thank the government of China. We also, good news about people, the Taliban. The Taliban, U.S. tried to withdraw his troops, and we call the government of Afghan, who can ensure the government of Afghanistan that the United Nations troops will remain in Afghanistan, and the United Nations will make tripartite agreement: government, United Nations, and Taliban. we propose also to give a good scholar to the children of Taliban, to build a hospital to guarantee their health, and to build a school to guarantee their high quality of education, both Afghan and international. So the proposition we see. Also, the situation of Nelson Mandela. Look at today, when we say that we need the quality of leader, so change depends on the leader. Change doesn't depend on together or money or Freemason criminal organization package. Change does depend on them. Moses was just alone, and he changed the life, he saved life of people. Moses. Joshua was just alone, and he changed. Joseph in Egypt did the same. So look today, Mandela look like Mandela was passed just 27 years in prison for nothing. For nothing. So 27 years. Look the situation of South Africa. Okay, and we know also Zuma jail situation is just the money of Gaddafi. But this money cannot bring debt to South Africa. South Africa needs jobs. South Africa needs land restitution. South Africa needs job for all, business for all, justice for all, cash for all, and we can ensure that if we build strong economy. Also, I don't forget the people of Latin America. In Cuba, you see the situation in Cuba right now. We are together, and many people are suffering around. So we never will betray the United Nations. United Nations is, the sovereignty is we people of United Nations elected me. The supremacy is the charter of United Nations. The supremacy is not race. The supremacy is not a nationality. The supremacy is not a religion. The supremacy is the charter of United Nations. The supremacy and the sovereignty is we people. When they elect me, when I finish my term, I will leave. So the people have to follow in each country is the same. The sovereignty is people. The constitution is the supremacy. It's a supremacy law. And in religion it's the same. God and his people are sovereignty. And the supreme law is the Decalogue, the 10 Commandments, or I don't know if there are 11, there are 12, we have to check, but the commandments are the supremacy, So this is a small message to tell you that we hope that Abemus Papa recover. We are praying for him. We check Elizabeth, we check all leaders. Let us get to New York. We are waiting just our passport. You have all papers show that we are diplomat for the United Nations of Petroleum. So we are waiting our passport. So we start to move. There is no way to go to negotiate door closed in secret because we are international public personality. We are a public international personality. So we cannot betray we people. You cannot get in Freemasonry. We cannot be. We have international credibility. We cannot be in secret. to be a complicit of criminal. Okay, we create also the program for food for all, availability food for all. People are suffering for hunger, no cash, no money. We cannot allow that. Only people are privileged get secretly money. The United Nations never will allow that. In my leadership, never will allow that. No privilege. Everybody have to get to have food available. Everybody have to have not deadly vaccine, but healing medication. Everybody have to have justice, freedom, and cash for all. Thank you so much. And God bless you. We will come back to you next time. Thank you. We are busy.